At the end of the lecture, you will be able to explain the importance of accounts receivables management, explain factors affecting the size of accounts receivable, compute the costs and benefits of changing credit policy using marginal analysis technique. We're going to go through the lecture outline. Introduction to accounts receivable, importance of accounts receivable, accounts receivable management, credit policy, credit selection, credit standards, credit terms, collection policies, marginal analysis. This shows the layout of our outline of today's lecture. All firms are involved in selling either goods or services. Although some of these sales are for cash, usually a large portion will involve credit sales. When a firm sells goods to a customer on credit, an accounts receivable is created. Eventually, the customer will pay the account. Any questions so far? Let us see how AR management affects profitability. Money is tied up in AR in this situation. So the sales proceed cannot be invested until accounts receivable is collected. Excessive level of accounts receivable increases the risk of bad debts. Take note, it's bad debts. The bad debts can offset the profits on sales. Next, we look at liquidity. Efficient collection of accounts receivable ensures that the firm has steady cash flow. Take note, it's steady cash flow. It means the company has money, okay, that can meet short-term payments. Any questions so far? Credit selection. Credit selection involves deciding whether to extend credit to a customer and how much credit to extend. The decision process comes after a process of credit analysis. The process involves evaluating the customer's creditworthiness and comparing it to the firm's credit standards. When credit standards are relaxed, this will lead to lower standard. The effects on profits are as follows. The sales volume will increase, the profit will increase. The investment AR will increase, but the profit will decrease. The bad debts will increase, the profit will decrease. Any questions so far? Usually, the credit terms are expressed in this format. Cash discount, cash discount period, credit period. When collection policy is tightened, so you increase collection effort, the effect on profits are as follows. The sales volume generally will fall. so the profit will fall. In certain situation, the sales volume remains the same. Maybe due to there's a demand for your product, then the profit remains the same. Investment in AR will drop. Profit increase because you have more money on hand for other profit-making opportunities. Bad debts will decrease and profit will increase. Your collection expenditure will increase and your profit will decrease. Any questions so far? Changing an existing credit policies involves a trade-off between costs and benefits. So you need to compare the costs and benefits if you're considering changing credit policy. For example, if credit policy is ease, the benefit is sales increase, but the costs are bad debt increases, additional investment in AR, additional costs from giving cash discount. Thus, the firm should only change its credit policy if the benefit is more than the cost. What is opportunity cost? It is the cost of an alternative that must be foregone in order to pursue a certain action. In other words, the benefits you could have received by taking an alternative action